Hey, good evening. So, continuing the process of getting set up for wood carving, I need a strop, so I'm going to glue this down. I'm going to glue the shiny side down, charge the rough side. So I need some yellow glue. So there's some yellow glue, probably too much. I'm just going to line that up and turn it upside down on this. Put this on the back. And I happen to have some clamps. Trim it later. And that had a big scallop in the middle of it where it was bent in shipping. So just got to let it dry, and I'll leave it on for a while. Probably want to take off at least some of this glue. Comes off easier now. Hey guys, so it's time to sharpen. I took these apart. So this came with the kit, so let's try it on one side of this. So it's like a really stiff crate. I just want to get good coverage. I'd actually like it to be a little thicker, but that seems to be the way it's coming off. I'm going to use a tiny bit, so it's pretty sharp. I still have a little bit of, I can see physical imperfections. I want to try to strop those out. It's polishing just the very edge of that blade. I reckon it'll work backwards. I guess it'll work backwards on the blade, but the blade seems really sharp. This blade is very, very sharp. If you like the videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.